I am not a mother, but I have one, and I have several friends who are moms, and I can say this much: there is nothing quite as powerful as the love of a mother and what she will do for her children. And I think this next award will sort of make us all remember that. We want to recognize Ms. Angela Spencer for her successful advocacy on behalf of her son, Marion. There's more. We have to tell them your story. It's incredible. Advocating for herself and especially for her son when they were experiencing homelessness. Ms. Spencer currently holds a full-time position with a local college near her home in Texas, but life was not always that easy for her. She was furloughed from her job when the institution downsized. She couldn't immediately find new employment, and she became homeless due to financial circumstances and hardship, and her home went into foreclosure. Ms. Spencer notified Marion's school of their homeless status, and under federal law, homeless students have the right to educational stability. Still, the school district began to challenge his enrollment because it believed that Marion and his mother did not live within the school district limits. The school allegedly sent officials to follow around and verify where the family was staying, obtaining information that was irrelevant for the purposes of enrollment. The school then disenrolled Marion several times. The school district allegedly called and visited the landlords and neighbors of the various friends and family that they were staying with, revealing private information and almost causing the eviction of one family that was housing them. In addition to numerous disruptions to Marion's schooling, this alleged harassment led to more housing instability and difficulty for the family. That's when Ms. Spencer then reached out to the Law Center for help. At the time, she was working with an attorney who was fighting to get Marion the appropriate education that he needed to address his learning disabilities. The Law Center was able to work with her attorney to provide technical assistance on federal legal protections for homeless students. Marion lights up a room with his smile, which I'm sure you've all noticed, is now 9 years old, is doing well in school. He's passionate about football and basketball, and in particular, that basketball right there. I know. Ms. Spencer has demonstrated a strong commitment to her son's education, overcoming numerous obstacles and tirelessly fighting, as I said, with that mother's love for her son's rights. She's a role model to us all. She is an inspiration, and it really is my honor to present to you tonight the Personal Achievement Award, Ms. Angela Spencer.